Hey guys, I'm back here again. My last video got deleted, so I thought, why not to do it again? Just disappeared. Bike's all the way here, so I sound exhausted, that's why. But this is odd. They said the fence closed this time, so I had to jump over it. Oh, I thought I heard a truck or something. Remember last time there was a owl in there. Jumped out at Nathan. Nathan's not here this time. He's back home. But whoa. Didn't go back here last time. So keep hearing trucks over. What? Looks like there was a barn here. Looks like it fell. The owl is, or whatever it is. It's quite creepy. Huh. That's quite cool. Looks like there's some more fallen rock. Oh, not fallen wood. I get another building right here. Wonder how long it's been since this was last used. And there's some random concrete pad. Huh. I keep thinking that there's somebody gonna be over there, but that's my biggest fear, even though I've been caught once, but that was being loud. I don't think they would notice. That road over there's less space than it was last time. Last time there's like semi trucks and dump trucks, since there's a dump over there, but it's over. I guess since it's Sunday, I think they have their days off, but there was a few cars. Now I'm gonna go back over here. It was on this. Ooh, there's animal control. I doubt they would come here. There's no animals here now. There's a guy out there. He's coming over here. I know this works. Now, since I saw it over here, but this place is the place here. I still have my flashlight, but I don't. Only somebody had one of those cold ones, or cold coffees. That's what they're called. Phillips 66. shards fall. It's evidence that children were here. They look fireflies and fireflies. Probably ate fast food here a lot. And here's an old refrigerator. Well, I guess that guy was gone. You that way. It was a post. I thought was. Look at this roof. Huh. I've never seen that. Outlets on the ceiling. What? Well, but I thought there was a tray over there last time. This place is cool. That's why I had to redo it again, because well, I didn't even realize there's a window. Okay. Go over there. You can barely see my leg. Huh. That switch doesn't work anymore. Well, that's it. That's all I have for today. And, yeah, see you on the next Explorer.